Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we're on our way into Aldi. Alright, so we made it. I'm trying to figure out which end do I want to start at. I think I'm gonna start down. You know what? We can start right here. Okay. What is this? So this stuff was here last week. The Ottman. Alright. Hard to tell. These are $5. Slicker brush, de-shed rake, and de-shed comb. Those are $4.29. Wait, what's this? Some clippers. The rake. Something in here. I don't see this thing right here. Hold on. This thing. The clippers. Alright, well, y'all get the idea. These are $6. Bella V self-watering hanging planters. Somebody had their dog over here because I can still smell it. And the dog toys. These are $7. Hungry Hippos. Play-Doh. The Play-Doh one is cute. The Monopoly one is cute too. And they have a Mr. Potato Head. Pull Me. Right here. These are for possible chewy curls, possible chewy rolls, and then the chewy chips. The dental chews are $6. Natural dog chews. 8-inch raw and hide chicken rolls are the 8-inch pork rolls. This is $15. Dual head plant grow light by Casa Lux. 1000 amp portable jump starter for $50. And well, this thing says $1.99. Hard to tell modern cat activity tree. That has to be the wrong price on that, right? Has to be. Let's see, that's what it says, $1.99. Now, if somebody was to come in here and get this right now and bring it up to the register, like, oh, it says $1.99. That's definitely a steal, because I know that thing is not no $1.99. Okay, this is $10. The Hard to Tell absorbent pet mats. These are $20. Quilted carriers. It's in the green and black. $5. Steering wheel covers. These are $10. They have some brain quests. So smart cards. It says for $2. I'm wondering, should I get this mascara? Colors, comparing, shapes, identifying. Technology. They also have the pre-K, kindergarten, first grade. All the different grades. These books are $10. Janet Evanich. The Recovery Agent. Slam by Colin Hoover. Point of Retreat. Colin Hoover. The Loving Game. Elena Armas. Alright, and what's this one? I'm over here being nosy, not minding my business. The Unhoneymooners. Because the girl just picked up like 3 of these. She was like, I don't even have a cat, but for $2, I'm getting that. Alright. One True Love's Taylor Jenkins Reid. What's that one? Maybe in Another Life. That one is by Taylor Jenkins. Christina Lauren, The True Love Experiment, and Fire. Yes, baby. And these are $7. Oh, no problem. The Snackle boxes. Let's see. It's in pink, gray, and a greenish color. Trying to get it down. Okay, this is a pack of 2 for this one. And the other one is just that one. All right. The Ambino Compact Design Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, that's 15. These are 10. For the cups, $9. Performance shorts. Comes in that black. That's a pretty blue. And it's a gray color. And then the pants by Crane, same color as the black. That's a really nice blue. And again, that gray color. Premium shorts underwear 3-pack for $9. $10 for the portable travel or gaming table. It's the fox, the unicorn, the shark, or the bear. That's how they look. $8 for the folding trunk organizer. For that one, and then look, these are 7. It's Hello Kitty, Stitch, Bluey, and Spider-Man. There's Bluey, Stitch, Hello Kitty, Spider-Man. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm whispering y'all because it's so quiet in here. It's just quiet in here. And there's people around me shopping. Oh, I skipped these bras. These are 10. Crane 2-pack seamless comfort bras. And they had the carriers for the water bottles, which are 10. These are $30. Those are some nice bags. Weekender duffel bags. Okay, let me see. It can zip, it opens the zip at the bottom. And then that print. Okay, all black. That one, this one in the beige. $10. Bodysuits. Black, white. Are those 2 black ones? Is it like a black, white, and a blue? These are $10. There's 2 of them. Look at me being nosy. The guy's coming back to check the price. He's like, yep, she got me. And then it's these 2. Yep, she definitely got him. He's coming back all with the shame walk. Like, yeah. These pots are $20. Yes, baby. Yeah, those are pretty. His mommy is definitely not minding her own business. Yes, baby. Huh? Yeah? What's that? What are you saying?
Mommy.
Yes.
Take it.
Okay.
Take it.
What?
Take it.
Okay. These are $6. The spoons. These are 6. What's this? Yes, the strainer. The masher. Oh, she was saying she want chicken. Okay, anyway. So it's the strainers, the stainless steel potato, the smasher. The thing is heavy, it's connected. The meat tenderizer. And what is this thing? I don't even know what this is. Stainless steel whisk. Okay. Twist whiskers. All right. So the drying mats go with the pots. Now it's only those 2 colors, the lemons and the blue for the pots. But they have this drying rack too. And the plaid, they're changing the price now. What are these? The oversized drying mats. Drying mats. Okay, I thought those were dish towels, and they didn't have the tablecloths. Let's go with them. These are $6 for these mats. So it's that color, the blue, the pink, the yellow lemons. All right, we're gonna come back to those shoes in a second. 17 for these. And that one, let's see, it's a different color. And that one. Enamelware butter dish and measuring sets. Okay, just like the spoons. These are $8. And then there's the Enamelware colander or the utensil crock. So here's the colander. And the crock pot, utensil crock. Okay. And they have the spoons in there. This is cute if you want to revamp and do the black and white. Okay. That was here last week. The rugs, the shelf. Got some pillows. These cushions are $8. Same designs. Cushions. What's this? Oh, the utensil pots. Okay. And the multi-purpose shear with sheath or can opener. And it comes in the blue and the cream.
Mommy.
These sandals are $8. Comes in that brown color, the black, and the brown. Wait, hold on, because the black has little studs on them. Okay. Those are black ones with the studs. And these are like gold. The canvas sneakers. These are $9. Okay, those are cute. There's these. And these. And these are $15. It's the white, purple, my update. Look, they're $40, but they did give it to her. She snatched up 3 of them. Gave them to her for $2. Nice. Let's check this out. What does this say? Appleton Farm chicken skewers. These are $7. Rotisserie style. What are these? Diana's Real Banana Bites. It's dipped in chocolate, cinnamon, granola crunch, or the dark chocolate. Those are $5.50. Lando Lakes. This is $2.47. This freezer is cold. There's the honey butter spread or the cinnamon sugar. Garlic and herb. And these, the strawberry, the cream cheese, or the chive and onion. Those are $2.09. orange strawberry banana. That's a different combo for $3.59, and the orange peach mango. I'm gonna stop over here because I saw this. There's hazelnut for $2.59. The coffee creamer or the caramel macchiato. The Italian sweet cream. Oh, look at the cold foam caramel macchiato. $3.49. Pure Delight made. Okay, I'm trying to hold it and hold this at the same time. Not working out. Salted caramel mocha coffee creamer, $3.59 on the French vanilla. And then there's the almond non-dairy creamer, vanilla or caramel, vanilla caramel, or oatmeal cookie. Those are $3.39 marked down. There's some stuffed clams in here for $6. What is that? Barramudd filet. Some shrimp for $5.50. Those are peeled. The queso bites. All the shrimp bites. Those are $5.19 marked down. Shrimp tapias, shrimp skewers. Or the chipotle sea salt. Those are $6. Looking like the same stuff that we've been seeing in this freezer. Langostino tails. I don't know what is that. Those are $13. And what are these? Cuban sandwich flavored kettle chips. Those are $1.95. So it's these or Nashville hot chicken kettle chips. Look at these sea salt caramel pretzel clusters or the milk chocolate s'more clusters. Those are $3.29. You know what? I still don't think that a lot of people know that this Aldi is here because the stuff is sitting here pretty long, and usually the Aldi stuff, especially the Aldi finds, it doesn't sit that long. I think people still haven't discovered it yet, but we're gonna walk and see what kind of sweets they have. Don't forget, y'all, to like, comment, and subscribe. Those are $2, $3. We're gonna see what kind of sweets they have, and then we're gonna get out of here. And look at these cookies. Mr. Peanut Butter Candy Cookies or the chocolate peanut butter candy cookies. I don't need it. It's tempting, but I don't need it, and I'm gonna leave it. Those are $4.50. The blueberry mini muffins, the chocolate chip mini muffins, those are $3.75. The donuts, those are $3.75. It says kitchen sink cookies or chocolate chunk or the oatmeal cranberry. Those are $3.89. All right, y'all. So I literally forgot to close out the vlog. I was just vlogging and walked straight out the store. Please, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for taking all the shopping trips with us. Little one is already knocked out back there. And I will see y'all in the next one.